I think the entire MisFits journey has been beneficial for me in incredible number of ways. I think to start with the first and foremost, I think my favorite class is history and geography of India. I think that was the first time when I understood the importance of interlinkages. So when I look at maps today, I look at it from a perspective of that what is the unique value proposition of a particular place and how does it matter in the global ecosystem of things. We are talking about Nassim Taleb. I'm able to consume literature like I've never been able to. So I was reading Skin in the Game. I was able to finish Al-Malak. I think I can talk about lectures, but not the best sincere student, so I don't remember a lot of lectures. But whenever I revisit it, I think I'm able to do. I think the other point which I wanted to mention, and a lot of people who have gone through a struggle like mine, I think many times UPSC coachings are daunting. So when you go to classes, one month down the line, the feeling is on a very negative extreme that, hey, this is something which I can't do. I think my emotions at this point of time are strictly in the opposite direction, and which is a great lever for me.